Hello and welcome to the day one of our day 30 journey. If you always wanted to learn German but didn't know where to start, this series is perfect for you. By the end of the day 30, you'll be able to introduce yourself, talk about your daily life, hold basic conversations, and understand German sentence structure. So let's begin. So this is the section 2. No, sorry. Section 1. Why learn German? German is the most widely spoken languages in Europe. It's a language of engineering, science, and business. Global, everything. If you want to work, study, or travel in Germany, Switzerland, or Austria, knowing German will make your life easier. So this is what you need to learn German first. So this is the section 2. German alphabet pronunciation. The German alphabet uses the same letter as English, but with a few additions. So say it slowly. A, B, C, D, similar to English. A, E, Got, Vowel, V. Now in German there are some special words and they are like A, O, U and a special V letter, but those letters have a two dot on top and those are called umlauts. Umlauts are like they change the full pronunciation of the words like let me tell you the special words. Now A with umlaut is called A, A, EH pronunciation A. Now O with two dots is like air, air. Now U with umlaut is like saying E with rounded tips, ooh, ooh. And there's a special B which I told you, but is not B. It doesn't have any umlauts. It sounds like sh, sh. It's a sharp S. Now this is what you will learn in section 2. Now this is the section 3 basic greetings. Let's learn the most basic German greeting. So repeat after me. Hello, guten Morgen. So hello means hello. Hello means hello. And the second one is guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen means good morning. Good morning. And now guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Tag means good day. Guten Abend. Guten Abend means good evening. Good night. Good night means good night. Now tschüss. Tschüss means bye. Tschüss. Tschüss. And the sixth one is bis später. Bis später. Bis später means see you later. Use this daily and you will sound more like a native. So this is what you learn in section 3. Now we move on to the section 4. Section 4. In section 4 we are going to learn about self-introduction. So let me teach you how to introduce yourself. So use this word. Ich heiße. My name is. Ich heiße. My name is. For example, ich heiße Shlok. My name is Shlok. And the second one is ich komme aus. Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. Now the third one is ich bin 8 Jahre alt. I am 8 years old. For example, I'll give you one. Ich bin 11 Jahre alt, my example. And I will tell you another introduction rather than me. Ich heiße Arjun. Ich komme aus Indien. Und ich bin 12 Jahre alt. So that. Now there are example dialogues. So our first dialogue is meeting someone. So the A person is me and the B person is another guy. So let's start. I say. So first the A person. Hello, wie heißt du? He answers. Ich heiße Maria. Und du? Then I say, ich heiße Shlok. Ich heiße Shlok. Ich bin 11 Jahre alt. Und du? Now this is the dialogue number 2, asking country. Now I ask him, woher kommst du? He answers, ich komme aus Spanien. Und du? Now I say, ich komme aus Indien. Ich komme aus Indien. Now there is a dialogue number 3, asking age. I told you in the dialogue number 1. Little bit. Now I say, wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? He answers, ich bin 12 Jahre alt. Now I say, ich bin 11 Jahre alt. And now this is a small exercise for you. Now the exercise number 1 is, you need to repeat after me. First one is, hallo. Hallo. Second one, guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Now the third one, tschüss. Tschüss. And the fourth one, ich heiße. Ich heiße. Now the fifth one, ich komme aus. Sixth one, ich bin Jahre alt. And the third one means sixth one is Wish Petra. Now this is exercise number 2. In the exercise number 1, I got a little bit confused, but this is the exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks. So you need to write this in the comment section. So let's start. Ich heiße. Ich komme aus. Ich bin Jahre alt. Now I'm gonna tell you the exercise number 3. It's a meaning speaking task. Now you have to write a 10-second introduction using only hallo, ich heiße, ich komme aus, and tschüss. So this is the end of our day 1. So stay tuned and bye bye.